We will gonna be trading expert option with these simple strategy. Sorry for no mouse cursor. I am using a Windows tab. I had the best result with simple strategy. It works on any pair. Be sure to have a pair with a good momentum. I got my winnings over losses. It must be traded from 1 minute to 5 minutes. You can try your own combination of indicators. We will now proceed with our strategy. I am only using 3 indicators, the 2 moving average, and the Bollinger Bands. Moving average help us navigate the average price of the pair, while the Bollinger Bands help us foresee the overbought and oversold level of the price. We must also set the chart type into line. Let us now set our indicator parameters. First we have to add a moving average, then set the period into 13. Then set the type into exponential moving average, or EMA. You can choose your own color depending on your bet. We will add another set of moving average with a period of 18, EMA type, then choose another color. Let us also add out Bollinger Bands. Let us set the parameters of the main settings with a period of 13, a deviation of 3%. You can also choose your preferable color, depending on your choice. Let us now trade with our strategy. But before that, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get the latest strategies, trading expert option and other trading brokers. Take a look at these pattern. It's like a rainbow. Just focus on the middle line of the band. The 2 moving average line must parallel and corresponds to the middle line of the band. We all know that it reaches the oversold level of the band, but we will gonna be follow the pattern of the 3 line. I will go for a sell on this. Take a look at the trend of the pair. It goes down. The moving averages meet each other. And don't forget to see the momentum of the pair first. The trend goes down. We ensure that we can have our profit. Easy strategy and profitable. Let us try with another pair.